Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share with you exactly how you can earn over $1,000 in a single day. And like most things I share on this channel, I'm going to share with you proof that this concept actually works. Now, why I love this method is you do not need any skills for this. You don't need any experience, you definitely don't need a lot of money, and realistically you can actually get started with this method today. Okay, so about an hour ago, give or take, I shared this post over in my Facebook group, Not Taught at School. If you want to come ahead to this group, feel free. Now if you scroll, not that one there, come a bit further down here, you can see, look, 1 hour ago, you can see on here, look, I shared a post where I'd earned $1,000 in commissions. I also earned some money on different platforms. So if we jump over here, this platform is Warrior Plus. You can see today I've earned $93. If we look over on Amazon, we've earned $7 for the week. And if we go into my emails, I'll quickly show you this. So we've got, you can see on here, we have different payments coming in every single day. And if I scroll down, where is it? This one here, look, you just earned a new commission. So look at this here, commissions earned $1,000. So if I take this commission here for $1,000, this nearly $100 over here, and some earnings from a couple of other different platforms like this one here and a couple more, it's been a pretty decent day. Now, how do you do this, and how do you make up to or over $1,000 in a single day? Well, for this, we're using something called affiliate marketing. Now, over on my blog, Not Taught at School, I've got lots of articles about affiliate marketing. It's a genuinely simple concept. Now, I'm sure many of you watching this may have tried affiliate marketing before, and unfortunately, lots of people fail with this method, and there's a reason why. So if I scroll down here, let me just come to this article here. So I've shared this article, and again, I'll drop a link to this below for you. Feel free to go ahead and have a look at this and check it out. But when it comes to affiliate marketing, if you don't know, the whole concept of affiliate marketing is you can partner up with companies like I am here with Amazon, or you can go ahead and literally find affiliate products on networks like this, or you can partner up with different software companies like this one here, and basically they will pay you a commission every time you send somebody over to their platform, over to their products, or over to their service. And it's not a difficult process. Where people fail is they don't set up the fundamentals and like the basics of this whole system, because affiliate marketing is an absolutely awesome way to make money online, because you don't have to deal with customers, you don't have to deal with postage and packaging and lots of headaches that come with many traditional online businesses. You can start your own online business with affiliate marketing, and you can share high ticket affiliate marketing products whereby you're earning, as you've seen over here, you can earn up to $1,000 by recommending and sharing a product. Many people partner up with Amazon, but you can see here the earnings over on Amazon, they're relatively low. Over here you can earn from 1% up to on the high end, you can earn up to 10%. Over on platforms like this one here, Warrior Plus, you can earn 100% commission. And then if you find, different softwares like this one over here, you can earn a recurring commission, which basically means you do the work once and you can earn a passive income. So like this one here, in March, I started marketing and sharing this. I earned $213 for the entire month. Last month finished on $368. And so far this month we're up to $102. But the great thing about affiliate marketing is, in terms of this, you don't, I mean, lots of people think it's like network marketing or multi-level marketing. It's like none of those things. And when you say commissions, it can sound a bit, a bit sleazy, doesn't it? You can earn commissions, you've got to be hard selling and pitching and promoting these products. You absolutely don't have to. This money that I earn, and this post what I shared in my Facebook group here, this $1,000 commission here, this come from work that I have done previously. And in this article over here, what I'm going to link below for you, how lots of ordinary people are making thousands sharing products, the concept is it's always the same. You decide on a category or a niche. You then find products that you want to promote and share. Once you've done that, you then you start sharing content or creating content, and you can do this in so many ways. You can do this like you can see on the screen here. You can do this in the form of a blog, whereby you can create content around this. You include affiliate links. Another way that you can do this is you can go onto platforms like Quora and you can find people asking questions about that product or that service, and you can answer the question and you put a link to that affiliate product. You can also do this on Twitter, you can do it on Facebook, you can do it on Pinterest. There's hundreds of different ways that you can make money with affiliate marketing. And even now, if you go on Google, whatever you're looking for, if you're thinking of buying a certain product or a service, you can literally go on Google and you will find an affiliate marketing website. You can also do this with Instagram and many more platforms. The whole process is literally, you can break it down into a few simple steps. Step 1 is you decide on a category or a niche. Step 2 is you find products that you want to promote. Step 3 is literally you share that content with your affiliate link. And then step 4 is you follow up with people who are interested in that in the form of an email autoresponder. As you can see here, this is kind of how it works. So I'll drop a link to this blog article below for you. Feel free to go ahead and check this out. But affiliate marketing, it is without a doubt one of the easiest and the simplest ways that you can make money online. And depending on which way you're going to do this, you can partner with companies like Amazon, whereby you can earn, like realistically 3 or 4% of somebody's order. So like over here in the last 7 days with Amazon, you can see I've earned $7, which is pretty terrible in the grand scheme of things. But I haven't had to do anything for this. People have landed on some of my niche blogs. They've literally clicked a link and then they've gone over to Amazon and they've purchased products. And using like Amazon Associates or the eBay Partner Network, if somebody clicks your link, anything else that they purchase within 24 hours, you can earn an affiliate commission. So like, see this here, the very best of Chicago, only the beginning. I have no idea what that is. Someone's purchased that for $11 and I've earned 59 cents because they've used my affiliate link. Over on this platform here, I have shared a couple of different products, in the past, maybe on YouTube or maybe over here on my blog. They've clicked those links, they've gone over, they've purchased the product, and I've earned an affiliate commission. Or somebody's interested in purchasing, like this over here, this legendary marketer. People are always, on Google and YouTube looking for reviews about this, this online community about affiliate marketing. I've created this blog article here, which again, you can create blogs for free. I've created this. I've literally walked through the whole, the whole business plan of Legendary Marketer. I share all of the products on here. So look like this example here. This is a product called the Copywriter's Playbook. Believe it or not, I mean, you can see here, look, it's $1. So in the UK, that's about 75 pence. And somebody can go ahead and get this full course here to learn about copywriting and affiliate marketing, to get all of these additional bonuses. And it's incredibly cheap here. Or maybe, they're interested in TikTok. So they're doing research on Google, they land on my blog here, they click any of these links here, and guess what? I am earning an affiliate commission. Now, personally, I have partnered up with this company here, this Legendary Marketer, because they have something which is known as a value funnel. So inside of their funnel, they have these front-end products here, which are, $1. I think pretty much all of them are $1. And what happens is, and this is exactly what happened to me, I went ahead and I purchased one of these products. It was this one over here. I purchased this, the 15-day business builder challenge. This cost me $7. If I start up here, look, you can see day 1. It's basically, by the end of these 15 days here, they outline how you can start and literally start your own online business. To go through, look, the number one secret to building a high ticket, high profit business online. This is 51 minutes. After every video here, you then get tasks and look, complete your digital marketing assessment quiz. So complete your quiz, schedule a call, and then go over to the Facebook group and, participate over in that. But by the end of these 15 days here, you know exactly how to set up an online business. In this example, how to focus on high ticket items, whereby you can recommend and share content, whether you're doing that on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, Quora, wherever basically. But if you follow this and set up exactly what they teach you to do, you can have this whole system running on complete autopilot. It's pretty cool. And it doesn't matter whether you want to partner with a company like Legendary Marketer or whether you want to go and find individual items over on platforms like Warrior Plus. the whole concept is still the same. We're making this money pretty much on autopilot because we've done the work previously using what we learn inside of, Legendary Marketer or, watching YouTube videos and other bits. But this here is how you can earn over $1,000 in a day. You partner with high ticket affiliate marketing companies like Legendary Marketer or some of the ones that are available, online. Once you've partnered with them, you share content around it, a bit like what I'm doing here. So I've purchased this course myself. I've gone through this, so I have absolutely no hesitation in recommending this to you. Or if anybody says to me, they want to learn about making money online, I'll send them over to this. It's cheap. The content inside of here is very good. It's also taught by this guy over here, he is called David Sharp. You can go on Google and check him out. He has earned millions with affiliate marketing. But either way, whether you're partnering up with companies like Amazon or any of the other companies, the way that you can earn over $1,000 in a single day is partnering with companies like Legendary Marketer, who will share with you exactly step by step how to not only set up your online business, but how to market it the correct way, how to get everything up and running and put the complete thing onto autopilot. Because believe it or not, these sales over here today, the $1,000 that I shared with you from over in my email here, I wasn't even working today. I've been out with the family, we've been on a bike ride, we've been swimming and done, lots of other bits. So all of this, these earnings here, these earnings over here, and earnings on different platforms here, this is all coming on autopilot because I've done the work previously, which I learned about in this 15-day business builder challenge. So look, I'll drop a link to this challenge below for you. As I've mentioned, it's only $7. I'll also drop a link over to this blog article here, which has many more different methods for you when it comes to affiliate marketing. And I've also got a free affiliate marketing course. So if you want to go ahead and check that out, then feel free. But look, that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.